Alright, so we started out with this guy, and obviously he's missing a piston, but this was the thing on Thingiverse where I had a flywheel over on this side and a crank over on this side. Turn the crank and that thing turns back and forth, but then you have this whole cooling block thing back here. It's just stuff just to keep it sturdier. So then I rebuilt that and I took off the back wall, so it's completely see-through now. And instead of the flywheel and the crank, just having a kind of hard time with the print there. See, I put kind of like plastic nuts here. And then for that, I did like printing up gears, which is what I've been doing the past couple days, is playing with that so I can get the gear to go on there. And from that gear, excuse me, it's a little cheap DC motor. I bought them in high enough quantity that these things are about 20 cents a quarter maybe. Run on 9 to 12 volts. So then you have that motor with the gears. Still having a hard time not getting my exact fits. That motor down here, and this is just one block. With the gear there, and the gears don't line up exact. Alright, so that goes pretty good. It's been my last couple days.